All right, guys, so Harbor Freight has got some more deals going on. So this is their storage day sales. Yukon and US General large storage plus magnetic attachments. Everyone saves 15% and inside track club members 20% off. This is going to run all the way to June 8th. So we're going to go ahead and look at some of the items that they had to offer for this sale. I'm going to do some rough math for you guys, and we're going to determine if during this sale you're going to get the best price. So first up, we're going to check out the YUKON 46-inch mobile cabinet. So this is coming in at a price around $350. This is a pretty popular tool cabinet at Harbor Freight. Usually around the parking lot sale, we see this get down to about $299. Right now, they got it listed for $350. Now, if we do some rough math for this sale, if you're an ITC member, 20% off of this is going to be right around $70 off. So your price will be $280. So not a bad price, lower than your normal parking lot sale price. Now for you guys that aren't part of the Inside Track Club, you're going to get 15% off, which that's going to bring it down to $298. So not a bad deal there. Next up, we got the YUKON one drawer roll cabinet. Regular price on this is $299.99, so $300. Do some more rough math here. Take 20% off on that. That's going to be $60 off, bringing the price down to $239. Everyone else, 15% off. You're going to get about $45 off on that, bringing it down to $254. Now we'll jump into some US General cabinets. So this is the big 72-inch triple bank roll cabinet. Very nice toolbox here, especially for you guys that are mechanics full-time. Price on this one is right at about $1,800, so pretty pricey. If you're an ITC member, you take 20% off. You're getting about $360 off on that, bringing the price down to $1,439. So nice discount on that, but not the best price that you're going to be able to get. During the parking lot sale that's going to be coming up here very shortly, they're going to have that for $1,400. So if you guys can hold off, definitely hold off. During that parking lot sale, you're going to get this one a little bit cheaper. Now, if you already have this roll cab and you're looking to pick up maybe the 22-inch end locker, they are going to have that part of the sale. So this is $399. 20% off on this is going to be about $80 off. You're going to bring that down to $319. Now, this is going to be a good pickup here because with the parking lot sale coming up, they're also going to have it for $319. So if this is something you've been looking to pick up, $319 for this sale and then also for the parking lot sale. Now, if you're looking for the top chest, that's coming in at about $1,000. So 20% off of that is going to be $200, bring the price down to $800. And then everyone else is going to get 15% off. So that's about $150 off. So that's going to bring the price to $850. They're also going to have the 72-inch hutch. This comes in at about $700. So 20% off on this is going to be like $140 off on that. So bringing the price down to $560. And then 15% off is going to be about $105 off, so you'll be paying $595. All right, so next up, we got the 56-inch US General roll cab. Regular price on this is right around $900. So we take 20% off on that. You'll get about $180 off, bringing the price down to $719. Everyone else, 15% off is going to be right around $134. And that's going to bring the price down to roughly about $765. Now, if you guys are looking for the 56-inch top chest, that's roughly $600. So 20% off on that's going to be $119 off. So you'd be paying $480. 15% off is going to be about $89 off. And then that'll bring the price down to $510. All right, next up, we'll take a look at the 42-inch roll cab. So this is also $600. So same price as the 56-inch top chest. So pricing is going to be the same, 20% off. You get about $119, bringing the price down to $480. 15% off, same thing, $89, bringing it down to $510. Now for the 42-inch top chest, that's coming in roughly $450. 20% off on that is going to be $90 off. So bringing the price down to $360. And then if we do some rough math for 15% off, you're going to get about $67 off, bringing the price down to $383. Now, if you guys are looking for something smaller, they do got the 27-inch roll cab. So that's coming in at a price of about $400. take 20% off on that, you get $79 off, bringing the price down to $320. And if you take the 15% off, you're going to get roughly about $59 off, bringing the price down to $340. Now, if we take a look at the 27-inch top chest, that's the price of $250. Take 20% off on that, it's going to be roughly about $50. So it brings the price down to $200. Take 15% off of that, it's going to be $37 off. So we'll be paying $212 for the 27-inch top chest. All right, next up is the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanic cart. This is $280 for its regular price. So this is not going to be a good deal here for this sale. 20% off is going to give you $56 off, bringing the price down to $224. 15% is going to be $42 off, bringing the price down to $238. The reason why that's not a good deal is because with the upcoming parking lot sale, you'll be able to pick this up for $200, which actually is a little bit more inflated than the previous parking lot sales that were about $189. So if this is something that you've been looking to pick up, definitely wait for the parking lot sale. You're just going to get a lot better deal. So next up, we got the 30-inch 4-drawer mechanic cart. Regular price on this is $230. So 20% off on that is going to be $46 off, bringing the price down to $184. If we do 15%, that's going to be about $34 off, so it brings the price down to $196. If I remember correctly, at one of the previous parking lot sales, they had this all the way down to $169. And in my opinion, if you're looking to pick up a cart like this, I would just wait for the 5-drawer for the parking lot sale and pick that up for $199. All right, next up, we got the 34-inch 6-drawer service cart. So this comes in at about $600. 20% off is going to give you $120 off, bringing the price down to $480. 15% is going to be about $90 off, so that'll bring the price down to $510. So if my math is correct, for ITC members, that's a good deal at $480 because the upcoming parking lot sale, this is going to be $500. But for those of you that are not ITC members, price on that's going to be $510 during this sale, so it's better just to wait for the parking lot sale and pick this up for $500. Now, like I said earlier, along with the tool storage cabinets, they're also doing the same deal for the magnetic attachments. So if that's something that you guys have been looking to pick up, they got tons to choose from. Here's the screwdriver holder, can holder. It's roughly about $15. You got the hanging tray with screwdriver holder. They also got the cup holder. They got a holder for your shop towels. They also got the holder for a box of gloves. A couple of items I'd be interested in is the magnetic power strip or the magnetic power tool holder. I think those come in pretty handy. But depending on what you're looking for, they got a lot to choose from. Now, I didn't go over every item in this video. If you guys are interested to check out all of the items that's part of this sale, just go on Harbor Freight's website. You'll be able to check out everything they have to offer. But that's going to be about it for this one, guys. Hopefully you found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.